I didn't get it when you fell off, but...
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see.
Hi guys, it's me. This is my arm. See, right in there, do a close up. Right there, if you can see it, it has a little crack right there. See?
I don't think they can see.
Kind of. So, that's where I broke my arm. That's my whole arm. Like my bones. This is my other one. Right up there looks like a remote control pump.
It does look like a remote control. Weird.
Okay. And this.
Jaden's gonna get a cast.
And I'm gonna pick blue, pink, or what was the other?
She's jumping to conclusions. We don't know that they have colors yet, but we'll see.
And this is the last picture. Can't you see my skin? That's my last picture.
Is that creepy or what? You can see through your skin.
Oh, creepy. Da, da, da.
I have to say, this is the first time in a long time I actually got to stay in the room while a child got an x-ray because I'm not pregnant. Woohoo!
And look at my big old scar.
Scab.
Whatever.
And she's gonna get some drugs for her scab.
I'm not gonna get drunk.
Drugs.
So I'm not gonna get drunk.
Not drunk. You're gonna get medicine. Drugs.
Drugs. That's bad.
No, they're good drugs. They're gonna make it so it doesn't hurt.
No, dear, I'm talking about the other drugs.
What kind of drugs are there, Jaden?
Like the bad drugs.
Like what are they called?
I don't know. Marinara?
Get out your nose, Grosso. Just say no to marinara. Do you know what marinara is?
No.
Marinara is the tomato sauce that they put on pizza.
Oh, yeah.
And it goes in spaghetti. And you dip your cheese sticks in it.
Okay.
It's called marijuana.
Oh, yeah. Marijuana, not marina. Wait.
Marinara.
Yeah. Marinara. Okay, what happened?